Hello and welcome back to DriveDriverDriven. I'm humble and I have the best news. From the last video, it was the best case scenario. This is a few weeks now, I want to say 4 or 5 weeks since the last video, maybe 4 weeks since my surgery. There's just some scar tissue there now. It is early December and through all the scans that we did right before Thanksgiving, everything came up negative. So the MRI, the CAT scan, CT scan, whatever, all that stuff is negative. I have one more follow-up MRI at the end of December, right before Christmas. Not expecting any surprises there. It's just kind of taking a look at my hand post-op and making sure that everything's hunky-dory. It's been, like I said, about a month, so I can finally start on PT. I can do my exercises. I'm still working on that one. But flexibility back in the hand is going to be important, and strength. So I can start working on some strength training. And that's going to be huge because I've already done a little work, not really anything worth putting on camera, but I've already done a little bit of wrenching on just some maintenance and even using a hammer for some jobs around the house without fear, which is something I haven't been able to do for 20 plus years without my hand hurting or possibly injuring my hand, just simply using a hammer. So I can't tell you how just stoked I am on that. Another kind of side effect that I've noticed is starting to do stuff with my right hand and then flinching away because before it would hurt or I might injure myself doing whatever it was, simply washing my hands or doing the dishes or just dumb stuff like that. Like I still catch myself flinching when I shouldn't. And it's going to take some time to unlearn that behavior. But recovery is going great. There has been no pain at all. I sleep amazingly, like a rock every night. I didn't know how bad my sleep was until I got good sleep. Again, being able to use my right hand for things is just game changing. Going from kind of 1.5 hands to 2 hands, I'm unstoppable now. And speaking of being unstoppable, once I get some more PT under my belt and get some strength built back in my hands, we can get started on these projects again. And I really can't wait. It's been basically a year of nothing doing, like a couple things here and there. But again, the pain was just so great, it's hard to keep up. But now without pain, I can get back on these projects and I can't wait. So to everyone who reached out with words of encouragement, positive results for friends and family, other cancer survivors, thank you so much for everything that you sent. It really means a lot to me, and I'm sure it means a lot to every cancer patient, whether it's in remission or not. Like, just those words of encouragement are really helpful. And to anybody out there who is still dealing with cancer or is a cancer patient, like I send you my thoughts, my good vibes, good juju, all that jazz. It's rough, both mentally and physically. Like, just hang in there. It sucks. I know there's some really bad ones out there, and it sucks. But just know that we're all rooting for you. So. Again, thank you to everybody who reached out. That being said, kind of a short one today. I just wanted to give the positive news. I get to keep my hand. I get to keep my thumb. I can start on my PT. And most importantly, in the coming month or so, I can get back on my projects and we can start moving forward. So thank you all for watching. Thanks for being there for me. And I'll see you next time.